Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to send WhatsApp messages without the sender knowing. This is super useful to do, as you probably notice when you go and open up and read a message. Blue text appears that tells the sender you have gone and read it and opened it up. So what you can do is change the setting, and then the sender won't know if you read it or not, and you don't have to worry about having to reply quickly, etc. To do this, you need to head to the settings. On an Android, click on three dots in the top right and click on settings. On an iPhone, just tap settings in the bottom right. Then scroll down and find the option for privacy. Tap on it, then scroll down and you need to find the option for read receipts. And what you can do is make sure you switch it off and they won't know. But it does mean when people read your messages, you won't know if they have read it either. So it is a bit of trade-off. You can come back to chat and then open them up and the blue ticks won't appear. If you found this useful, then leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.